Okay guys, today we are going to rekey a Schlage Deadbolt for a customer who brought the lock into our store. We provide this service for $10 and it comes with 2 free keys. First thing we do is remove the screw to release the lock cylinder. Then we are going to remove the cylinder end cap. Don't forget to dump the end cap pin out along with its little spring, or you could lose it. We're going to insert the working key. Using a plug follower, we're going to push the plug out of the lock. You can see all of the pins inside the lock. I'm going to dump those out. They're no longer needed. I just throw them away. One left in there. There we go. And then we're going to insert the new key that we want to rekey this lock to. And we are going to put the corresponding pins that match the cuts of the new key into the lock cylinder. And there we go, all the new pins are in. You know you did it right if all the new pins are laying nice and flush. Don't ever do what I'm about to do here. Always put the plug back in with the key in the lock. Otherwise you can make a bad mistake there. But I was just trying to demonstrate the new pins without the key in the lock. Anyways, go ahead and put the end cap back on the lock. Test the key one last time. Tighten down the end cap, but don't over tighten it. And it's perfect. And put the cylinder back into the lock housing. Screw down little screw that holds the lock cylinder in. And we are done. Ta-da!